Hey moms! Life gets busy and finding time for self-care can feel like a luxury. But today I've got a treat for you. 5 simple, effective DIY essential oil recipes that every busy mom needs in their toolkit. These aren't any recipes, they're roll-ons and 1 super calming linen spray, making them easy to apply and use wherever you are, whenever you need a boost. Imagine this, a little roll-on to kickstart your morning, a soothing blend to help melt away stress, a quick immunity boost when you're on the go, and even an uplifting scent for those tougher days. And that linen spray, it'll make bedtime feel like a retreat, helping you unwind after even the longest day. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to bring a bit of calming energy and positivity into your daily life. And as a special gift, I'm offering a free downloadable guide with 7 days of prayer, positive quotes, and essential oils to add a little inspiration to your routine. Make sure to stay tuned, like this video, and subscribe to get even more natural living tips. Recipe 1. Relaxing linen spray for better sleep. All right, moms, let's kick things off with something we all need: better sleep. This relaxing linen spray is perfect for creating a calming atmosphere before bedtime. Just a few spritz on your pillow and sheets, and it'll help signal your mind and body that it's time to relax and wind down. This is one of those DIY essential oil recipes you'll want to keep close by. Benefits of this linen spray: lavender essential oil is the star of this blend because of its natural calming and sleep enhancing properties. When paired with a bit of Roman chamomile, it creates a soothing effect that's just right for promoting relaxation. The ingredients are distilled water. We're going to use 4 ounces of this. This will be the base of your spray. Witch hazel, we're going to use 1 teaspoon. This helps the essential oils blend well with the water. Lavender essential oil, known for its calming properties. We're going to use 10 drops of that. Roman chamomile essential oil, we're going to use 5 drops of this. This is another gentle, soothing oil that enhances relaxation. So first, we're going to start by filling a small 4-ounce spray bottle with distilled water, leaving a bit of space at the top. Add 1 teaspoon of witch hazel to the water. Witch hazel not only helps blend the oils, but it's also perfect for a peaceful night's sleep. Add 10 drops of lavender essential oil, followed by 5 drops of Roman chamomile essential oil. Screw on the top of the spray bottle tightly and then shake the bottle gently to mix all the ingredients. And just before bed, you're going to lightly spray this blend onto your pillow, sheets, or even around your bedroom. Let it settle for a minute before lying down. Then take a deep breath and enjoy the calming aroma. This DIY essential oil recipe is perfect for a peaceful night's sleep. Recipe 2, Energizing morning roll-on. Let's dive into our next DIY essential oil recipe, which is perfect for those mornings when you need a little boost. This energizing morning roll-on is designed to wake you up and help you start your day with focus and energy. Just a quick swipe on your wrists or behind your ears and you're ready to go. Benefits of this roll-on: we're using peppermint and citrus oils for this blend, which are known for their uplifting, energizing properties. Peppermint brings a refreshing, cooling sensation, while citrus oils like lemon are great for lifting your mood and helping you focus. The ingredients for this blend is fractionated coconut oil. We're going to use a 10 milliliter roll-on. This carrot oil is for safe skin application. Peppermint essential oil, we're going to use 5 drops, adds a burst of energy and a cooling effect. Lemon essential oil, we're going to use 5 drops, brightens your mood and helps with mental clarity. Wild orange essential oil, we're going to use 3 drops. This is uplifting and adds a sweet, citrusy aroma. Fill a 10 milliliter roller bottle with fractionated coconut oil, leaving a little space for essential oils. Add 5 drops of peppermint, 5 drops of lemon, and 3 drops of wild orange. Secure the roller top and gently shake to combine. Each morning, you're going to apply this roll-on to your wrists, neck, or temples. Breathe in the refreshing scent for an energizing start. This DIY essential oil recipe is a lifesaver for busy mornings. Recipe 3, stress relief roll-on. For those hectic moments, here's a stress relief roll-on. This DIY essential oil recipe combines lavender, frankincense, and bergamot essential oils for a calming, portable way to manage stress naturally. Benefits of this roll-on: lavender is a powerful stress reliever that helps brings a sense of calm. Frankincense is a grounding and promotes relaxation, while bergamot adds a subtle, uplifting element that helps combat anxious feelings. This blend is perfect for on-the-go relief. Ingredients are fractionated coconut oil, lavender essential oil, we're going to use 5 drops, known for its calming properties. Frankincense essential oil, we're going to use 4 drops, helps you feel grounded and at ease. Bergamot essential oil, we're going to use 3 drops. This oil is uplifting and helps to alleviate stress. Instructions: you're going to go ahead and grab a 10 milliliter roller bottle, fill it most of the way with fractionated coconut oil, leaving a small space at the top. Add 5 drops of lavender essential oil, 4 drops of frankincense, and 3 drops of bergamot essential oil. Secure the roller top and gently shake to blend everything together. Whenever you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, roll this blend onto your wrist, neck, or even behind your ears. Breathe in the calming aroma for a moment of peace and relaxation. This DIY essential oil recipe is a quick and effective way to help you find calm in your day. Recipe 4, immune support roll-on. For our next DIY essential oil recipe, we're focusing on immunity. This immune support roll-on is perfect for keeping in your purse or using whenever you feel like you need a little extra protection, especially during the winter season. Benefits of this roll-on: this blend uses tea tree and eucalyptus oils for their natural immune boosting properties. Frankincense also adds immune support and a grounding scent, making this DIY essential oil recipe a must-have for any mom on the go. Ingredients are fractionated coconut oil, tea tree oil, we're going to use 4 drops, eucalyptus essential oil, we're going to use 4 drops of that, frankincense essential oil, 3 drops. So we're going to start with a 10 milliliter roller bottle and fill it mostly with fractionated coconut oil, leaving a little room for essential oils at the top. Add 4 drops of tea tree oil followed by 4 drops of eucalyptus and 3 drops of frankincense. Secure the roller top and gently shake to mix everything together. Whenever you feel like you need extra immune support, apply this roll-on to the back of your neck, wrists, or along your spine. It's also helpful to roll it on before heading into crowded places. This DIY essential oil recipe is a lifesaver during the winter season. Recipe 5, uplifting mood roll-on. Finally, let's end with a DIY essential oil recipe that's perfect for boosting your mood. This uplifting mood roll-on is designed to lift your spirits and add a little positivity to your day. Benefits of this roll-on: wild orange, ylang ylang or ylang ylang, and grapefruit essential oils all have mood enhancing and uplifting properties. This DIY essential oil recipe is perfect for those moments when you want to feel refreshed and centered. Ingredients will be fractionated coconut oil, wild orange essential oil, we're going to use 5 drops, grapefruit essential oil, we're going to use 4 drops, ylang ylang or ylang ylang essential oils, 3 drops. We're gonna grab that 10 milliliter roller bottle, fill it with fractionated coconut oil, add essential oils, secure the top, and shake. Apply this to your wrists, neck, or temples when you need a mood boost. This uplifting DIY essential oil recipe is a quick, natural way to add positivity to your day. And there you have it, moms. 5 DIY essential oil recipes that make self-care a breeze. From calming bedtime routines to boosting your mood, these blends are easy to make, portable, and perfect for busy lives. Now, if you're ready to bring even more positivity into your life, I have a special freebie just for you, a downloadable guide with 7 days of prayer, positive quotes, and essential oils of the day. This guide is designed to help you start each day with intention, bringing peace and inspiration to your routine. You can find the link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below if you try any of these recipes or if you have your favorite that you would like to share with us. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more balanced, empowered, and happy mom life.